I think having friends or having different storytellers in your life is important.
So उस टाइम पे वायरल का मतलब हमें समझाया था धनुष वाले गाने ने, कोलाबरेटी. बट देन आज की डेट में इन 2025 म्यूजिक में डू यू थिंक वायरल होना ज्यादा जरूरी है या सोलफुल होना ज्यादा जरूरी है?
It's not an either or case. You can be viral and soulful. You can be just viral. You can be just so soulful, and you could be none also. Like I said, वो जो होगा देखा जाएगा. पहले करो तो.
रेडियो नशा
ईस्ट इंडिया एक्सप्रेस में एक बार फिर से वेलकम. एंड आज ईस्ट इंडिया एक्सप्रेस निकल के आई अपने प्लेटफॉर्म से, रेडियो नशा स्टूडियो से निकल के हम इनके पास खुद आए हैं. शिल्पा राव, वेलकम शिल्पा.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
आप ही के रूम में आपको वेलकम किया. देखा कितना टैलेंट है मेरे अंदर.
अच्छा है. तो मुझे नहीं वेलकम करना, आप खुद ही करो. Great.
Okay, now Shilpa was born in Jamshedpur. She has her parents still over there in Jamshedpur. So East India Express में इनका आना बनता है. And ये यहाँ आई है तो हमने इनको पकड़ लिया है. So Shilpa, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है. आपने 2007 से शुरू किया, 2006-7 से, and you've given so many hits. इतने सारे एक से बढ़ के एक गाने कॉन्स्टेंटली आप देती गई. बट देन वो एक आइटम नंबर फेम के पीछे आप कभी नहीं भागी. आपके गाने हमेशा अलग हुए एंड बहुत ही, फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो से नैना लगे रे, इट्स वन ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग. उसके बाद भी बचना है हसीनो, एंड देन यू हैव संग मेरे महबूब, यू हैव गिवन दैट बेशरम रंग, इतने सारे गाने. सो डू यू थिंक वो चेज ना करना उसके पीछे वो सही डिसीजन था?
Well, ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप चेज नहीं कर रहे हो, बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो, आप भी एक लिस्ट बनाते हो ना, आपको किनके साथ काम करना है.
राइट.
और फिर वो भी बहुत इक्लेक्टिक काम कर रहे हैं कि वो भी, इफ सिद्धार्थ आनंद इज ऑल्सो मेकिंग खुदा जाने, इज ऑल्सो मेकिंग अनजाना अनजानी, इज ऑल्सो मेकिंग मेहरबा. सो यू ऑल्सो कीप मोल्डिंग योर सेल्फ इन टू डूइंग मेनी थिंग्स. एंड frankly speaking, you don't even realize you can be this when you go to the studio.
Okay.
You don't know. But then when the song is given to you, you become that, and you never thought you are capable of becoming that character. So basically, what you don't chase, but then you do consciously make a path कि आप इन लोगों के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं. फिर वो somehow it also happens to you. So in a way, you are making a little pathway for yourself to that song.
So आपने जो लिस्ट बनाई थी सबके साथ हो गया काम?
नहीं, अभी वो क्या ना, लिस्ट
बढ़ती जा रही है,
एडिशन होता जाता है. So there are many more people that I would like to work with. Yeah.
एंड अभी आपने कहा यू डोंट नो बिफोर एंटरिंग द स्टूडियो कि आप ये भी हो सकते हो.
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा सरप्राइज्ड कब हुई थी आप, कौन से गाने पे?
I think खुदा जाने was one, because I heard that song and I was like, ये कैसे होगा? This is, I don't know. And I think one more song that was very surprising was Kawala.
Oh.
Anirudh के साथ. I have still not understood how he saw me in that song. I keep asking him, but that's what you just need to have faith in the director's vision. Yeah.
Wow. अच्छा, you have a very different voice. You have a very different texture in your voice.
Everybody should. Yeah.
अपनी अलग पहचान.
Just say. Everyone should have their voice.
एंड इसको लेकर कभी किसी ने कुछ बोला है कि नहीं ये तो हीरोइन पे नहीं जाएगी, या फिर इस तरह का कुछ?
No. ये कभी किसी ने नहीं बोला कि ये नहीं जाएगा हीरोइन पे. ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं बोला. But yes, there was a thing that it's a different voice. We need to see where we can place it. That I do agree was a thing, because whenever you hear something new or something that you've not heard before,
Right.
your mind also takes time to place it. So yeah, I did get this. Okay, we need the right song. Let's work that out. But this never came to me that no, you're not like a heroine thing, because I think in fact that's a good thing that
Yes.
people can be so many things. So
Right.
the voice has to match up to that.
And every person is different. The voice should be different.
Exactly.
So you've sung almost everything. क्लासिकल गाया है, इंडी गाया है, ईडीएम दुनिया भर का आपने सब कवर कर लिया है. कभी लगा आपको कि maybe people want to see you in a fixed image or something? कि नहीं ऐसे ही गाने अच्छे लगेंगे. But you have sung everything. Has anyone ever said something like that?
No, and also you can't do your life by what people want.
Right.
You also have some attachment with songs, so just go for it.
वही तो जानता है मुझे.
Just go for it. Just sing something that you connect with and you like. वो देखा जाएगा बाद में. But पहले तो जो गाना आपके साथ resonate कर रहा है, it is my moral imperative to sing it. As an artist, I feel the need to sing it, and I will. So that's it.
सबसे चैलेंजिंग गाना कौन सा रहा है खुदा गाने के अलावा?
No, there are many. Mudi Mudi was not an easy song to sing. Raja sir is a very stickler for perfection, and so it's not easy to work with. Of course, he's done so much then that even you are intimidated a lot. So yeah, Mudi Mudi wasn't easy. Bulya wasn't easy because it's a very unusual love story that was there.
Mudi Mudi was such a beautifully flowing.
Yeah, but that flow करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. So yeah, I remember it was not such an easy recording. Yeah.
It's a beautiful song. अच्छा, you started in 2006-07. उस टाइम पे डिजिटल इतना ज्यादा नहीं था, सोशल मीडिया तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं था, उस जस्ट शुरू हो रहा था. ऑर्कुट तो वही थोड़ा बहुत, बट देन वो भी जा रहा था, फेड हो रहा था. फेसबुक वाज कमिंग इन. सो उस टाइम पे वायरल का मतलब हमें समझाया था धनुष वाले गाने ने, कोलाबरेटिव. बट देन आज की डेट में इन 2025 म्यूजिक में डू यू थिंक वायरल होना ज्यादा जरूरी है या सोलफुल होना ज्यादा जरूरी है?
It's not an either or case. You can be viral and soulful. You can be just viral. You can be just soulful, and you could be none also. ऐसा
ये
नहीं है.
कंसिडर ही नहीं किया था हमने कि नन भी हो सकता है.
You feel that yeah, you're making a very hip song, but apparently it doesn't go anywhere. It can be anything. That's what I'm saying. Just don't, like I said, वो जो होगा देखा जाएगा. पहले करो तो.
कर्म किए जाओ.
पहले तो करो. First. I mean, like get yourself to the studio, start putting down music, and then you will see what will happen. But it's necessary to do the music first. Yeah.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि फीमेल प्लेबैक सिंगर्स को इन जनरल मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेल प्लेबैक सिंगर्स से थोड़ा कम इम्पोर्टेंस मिलती है?
It's not importance. It's been quite some time where the female vocals and female perspective and the story was quite reduced. That you would have all male albums, or maybe like 2 lines. Of course, in the past 2.5 years, that's been a very welcome change where you can see that things have gone back to having both perspectives being being expressed. But that's how it's supposed to be also, like, because फिर वो आप पूरी story complete ही नहीं कर पा रहे. You just have one male perspective.
Right.
And that's not
Perspective,
fun.
right.
It's not fun. Yeah.
Perspective की जब बात आती है, it's a completely personal feeling that I have. Generally गाने लिखते हैं लड़के,
Right.
males.
Right.
They write the songs and they write even the female paragraphs.
Correct.
So कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपको बड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट लगा, ये क्या लिखा है? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
Hey, I mean, thankfully, Anvita, Kausar, they're writing and they're writing massively also. So I think now we don't have that complaint. But I remember Bulya. I think the first draft, Amitabh had written something which was not the main draft, and I'm like, Amitabh, this is. I hope this is not the final. So I'm working on it, but it takes time. But again, it's nice that all of us have friends who not just do what you do, they also make films, they also probably work in the pre-production, so you get all sides of the story,
Right.
which helps you do your thing much better. So I think having friends or having different storytellers in your life is important to have that full spectrum. Yeah.
क्या कोई ऐसा गाना था जो कभी आपको ऑफर किया गया था, आपने मना कर दिया क्योंकि आपको वाइब नहीं समझ में आई, लिरिक नहीं समझ में आया, कुछ भी, एंड इट वेंट डाउन टू बिकम अ हिट, और फिर आपको लगा यार ये कर लेना चाहिए था?
It's not that simple or nuanced. It's something of the fact that you listen to something. If you do connect with it, you should do everything in your capacity to do it. अब वो नहीं हुआ, again there are a lot of creative differences. Maybe the producer director wants something else on the song. It's best to leave it there. But again, किसी का गाना या नहीं गाना या किसी का रखना या नहीं रखने से वो नहीं होता है. The song itself has to have a lot of
वेट होना चाहिए उसका,
wait, हाँ. If it's
अपील करना चाहिए.
If the song is good, then of course it will go wherever. I mean, चाहे वो आप किसी की वॉइस में पिक्चराइज करें ना करें, if the song has to do its job, it will. You can't stop it. So, also, once the song is done, you should leave it there, whether it's yours or not. If you keep attaching yourself with it, you will be unhappy because the result is not what you wanted. It's best to not attach yourself because then again it gets you into a bad place. फिर उससे निकलना. It's best to do a song, have fun, and leave it there.
इससे मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बड़ा कनेक्टेड है. हैव यू एवर फेल्ट कि बड़ा बहुत जान से गा दिया, बहुत सोल से गा दिया? जैसे आप शोज की बात कर रहे थे थोड़ी देर पहले, शोज तो बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है 100 मीटर की रेस है, पूरी जान झोंक देनी होती है उसमें. सो कभी बड़ा इमोशनली थका हुआ फील हुआ है?
No, I think emotionally थका तब आप फील करते हो जब आप when you have friends and you know like they disappoint you in a way. That's a different feeling. But yes, you can't feel sorry for the fact that you sang something and didn't work. Again, everyone has a free will to listen to it. You can't force anyone, and you shouldn't. If someone likes your song, let them like it on their own terms. Rather, that's a better thing to do. So, like I said, sing it and
छोड़ दो, नेकी कर दरिया में डाल.
वहाँ पर छोड़ दे. आप खुद के लिए नहीं कर रहे कि you are actually doing yourself a favor by singing a good song. You leave it there.
Okay, this is the last question. बहुत देर से पका रहा हूँ मैं आपको.
No, not at all.
अच्छा, अगर आपके पास पावर हो तो आप इंडियन म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री की एक कोई टॉक्सिक आदत क्या बदलेंगी?
I think ये जो मैं बदलना चाहूँगी, I won't change it with power. I would change it with love. I think everyone should be respected for what they do. No one's job is big or small in any way. Everyone is an integral part of how things are created and executed. So I think having that respect for everyone is very crucial.
That's why you changed your name to Shilpa. इतनी खूबसूरती से आपने बात समझाई. मतलब गूगल का कहना.
Shilpa was a name that I was born with. Apeksha was my school name. So but when I was born, my name was Shilpa.
Never believe Google. हमेशा गलत चीजें लिखी होती हैं. हर जगह मुझे ये सब सुनना पड़ता है. गलत रिसर्च होती है मेरी. अब मैं इनसे डायरेक्टली फोन करके पूछ लिया करूंगा, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू करूंगा. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ईस्ट इंडिया एक्सप्रेस. Stay tuned. Will come soon.
Radio Nasha.